let's say a company wants to avail third-party service to perform computation on its data. For example, here the company wants to compute the average salary of its employees. Usually this requires the company to share its data with the service provider in return for the output of the computation. But let's see how this can be done without even sharing the data using our MPC protocol. Over here I have three terminals which represent three different servers, where the first server is controlled by the client, and only this server has access to this data which is stored in salary.xls file. The second server is controlled by us, the PriMLs, and the third server lies with the service provider. Let me run the code and explain what happens. So the client server first reads this data and splits the data into three different parts, such that no part of the data reveals any information about the underlying data. And then the client server shares one part of the data with the PriML server and one part of the data with the service provider. All the three servers then perform some local computation to generate this output share, which also doesn't reveal any information about the output or the input data. Then the service provider and the PriML server send back this output shares to the client, who can now reconstruct the output, which will give the average salary. Thank you.